So let's see here. Where does that look better between 1 and 2? Or
S.
where does that look better, 1 or 2?
O, 2.
And 2. Read those for me.
ATTKCR.
Good. When I do this, a little blurry, right?
Yes.
Good. All right, keep looking down.
I'm not. Thank you. Have a good day. Put on your glasses, Junius.